With another iPod Touch tutorial. Today I will be teaching you how to jailbreak a second generation iPod Touch and with the 3.1.2 firmware. Now the first thing you're going to do is download two files. One of them is going to be found right here. And this is, I'll put the link in the description, this is the iPod firmware download. You're going to go to the drop-down menu for iPhone/iPod Touch and select 3.1.2 and then press download. It doesn't work with Safari. It'll just give you this page with a lot of weird numbers and letters and whatnot. So I used Firefox to download it. Okay, after that, the second thing you're going to download will also be in the description. It will be the Ponage tool. You have to click on the link in the description and scroll to the bottom of the page and click the first download. Right now it's Ponage tool 3.1.4.dmg, but they might make a newer one by the time you see this video. Okay, after that, you are going to open the files you just downloaded, which for me I saved them right here. And you're actually only going to open Ponage tool. Warning, and I'm clicking iPod Touch second generation because that's what I'm using. Oh, make sure you're in expert mode. So I'm going to go back. Or not. Okay, yeah, iPod Touch expert mode. Next. Now it's just going to be searching for the firmware that you downloaded, which is this one right here. Make sure it says iPod 2,1. That means that it's the second generation 3.1.2. That's the firmware. Oh, oops, I have to select the firmware. Okay, now you're going to go to change two things. One of them, custom packages. Click on that, press next. Uncheck IC. And click next, then uncheck boot logo. And recovery logo. After that, click next. And, well, then you just press build. The reason I unchecked the stuff, the custom logos and IC, is because a lot of people have been getting the 1600 error, and if you uncheck this, then it'll be fine and you won't get any error. Then you go to build and press next. And you have this custom restore file and you choose where to save it. You can save it on a desktop, but I want to save it in the same folder that all my other iPod files are. So I'm just going to press, oops, 1 second, I changed the name by accident. What is this? Okay, well, it just messed up. So I have to start it over. Let me just finish it quickly. Next, and build. Save it as the default name, like that's what I just messed up, and press save. And it won't say I has failed. It'll be building this for a few minutes, like 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm just going to listen to some music and wait. Now that you finish that, it's just going to give you the screen. Press OK. I had success. And just exit the program. So after that, make sure that your iPod is plugged in. And go to iTunes. And press Alt. And then click Restore while you're holding Alt. And it'll give you this screen. And you should go find the custom firmware bundle. You have to make sure that it's the custom firmware bundle, make sure it's not the original. See, this is the original. I downloaded it off the internet. And then this is the custom because it says custom restore. I'm going to press open. And it's going to start extracting the software. That's pretty much just setting it up. Okay, so now it's gonna be, your iPod should be like giving you a screen. It'll be booting up. Give it its time. And you should see a spinning little thing and then a loading bar. And it's jailbroken. So, pretty much, let's see. I open it, I unlock it, and it says edit home screen. That's the screen that you get when you first turn on your iPod out of the box. Okay. And you have Cydia right here. Your iPod is jailbroken. Now you can look at all my other tutorials. Cydia is pretty much just an app. It's the second app store. And it's pretty much just the second app store. Yeah, that's it. It just, yeah. And except all this app store just has everything that's been rejected from the old app, from the Apple App Store. And that's it. Comment, rate, and subscribe.